The backup file type is the most generic file name in existence. It is usually an Android system backup, but you cannot restore it by clicking it. You must load it back onto the device that created it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the source. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the backup format fails. More on this later. A backup file, in the context of Android and databases, typically represents a saved copy of data from an Android device or a database system. This file can contain application data, system settings, or entire database structures. It is used for restoring data in case of data loss, system failure, or when migrating to a new device or system. The structure of a backup file varies depending on the software or system that created it. For Android, it might be a compressed archive containing application data and settings. For databases, it could be a SQL dump or a proprietary format containing the database schema and data. Restoration requires using the appropriate software or tool that created the backupper. For comprehensive file management, backup relies on Android Debug Bridge, ADB, developed by Google. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows provides only limited information, so full examination relies on the appropriate backup program. Your first troubleshooting move: right-click the backup file and select Open With. Try launching it using Android Debug Bridge, ADB, if it's installed. If that fails, test other apps. Different tools have different file handling libraries. If you are still having trouble opening the backup file, do not worry. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, identify the creator. Determine the application, e.g. mobile phone software, accounting program, or a game, that created the backup file. Next, use the original app's restore function. Launch the original application and use its file. Restore or File, Import Backup menu option. Finally, rename extract. Rename the file extension to zip or rar and attempt to open it with a universal archive tool like 7-zip. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.